Welcome back to the Haven Family Farm. We are raking hay today. Double Kubota package. We got the M4 and the Kubota Rotary Rake. We got our 3 fields to do that if you've been following along in the series, you've seen some mowing and tedding in those fields. We always start here on the home farm just to make sure that if there's any kinks, anything that needs to be repaired, things like that, we're at home where all the tools are, kind of gets our season started that way. And then we'll start traveling to all the other fields that we have. I went and looked at a bunch of hay fields the other day. There's one that needs to be sprayed for weeds and the other ones aren't bad. And they're pretty much ready to go. But after today, there is a chance of showers for the next 5 days, just scattered stuff. So we won't be making hay for a while. But anyway, hope you enjoy riding along today, and I will catch up with you at the end of the video. All right, we're done raking hay in this field. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I don't know if I've showed this close up before. RA 1042T. It's a 10-foot rake. They consider it like a 13-foot working width when you consider the width that guard could actually go out further. But we've had this rake for, is this the third season now, I think. It's been a great rake, no issues with it, easy to maintain, and does a nice job. This field is a bit of a difficult field to do. You can see I've smashed over the windrow here. If you look, you can see some little spots of hay that are left. There's 2 reasons for that. One is the rake was originally set up for a different tractor, the one I had in the past that had a bunch of issues, and the drawbar on that was lower than it was on this tractor, the M4. So I really should have readjusted it, but typical me, you know, you get in a hurry and Sun's shining, got to get the hay baled, so that's part of the issue. The other part of the issue in this field, you'll notice there's some hay in the tire tracks. Those have become low spots now. We've had so many wet seasons that I baled hay on these fields that I didn't make ruts, but there are depressions now. The field is not level and smooth like it used to be. So unless you jam the rake in the ground, you're not going to get the hay out of those depressions. Again, I do think I could have dropped it just a little bit more, and I will, you know, moving forward from here. But you know, that's just the way the weather's been, and unfortunately what happens, I hate doing hay on wet, nice fields, but you know, hopefully this year will be better. So, and on this side, we have all sorts of vegetables going in. If you're interested in any of those videos, they're on our other channel, Little Red Farmstead. There's a link down below to that. We also built a chicken tractor this year. We're raising meat birds for the first time. We've had laying hens and, you know, egg birds. We actually got some more of them this year too. But there's some videos about the chicken tractor build, and we'll have some upcoming videos on how it's working out, how the birds are doing, things like that. So if you're interested in any of those type of videos, subscribe to that channel, check those videos out. If not, if you just like the equipment stuff, the tool reviews, stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Hit the thumbs up and the bell icon on your way out the door. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave questions and comments down below. I really enjoy interacting with everybody, so don't forget to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. A lot of cool videos coming up, so stay tuned. I hope to see you on the next video.